When I logged into my YouTube studio and edited one of my shorts, I saw this message. You can change the thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app. YouTube has finally made it possible to change the thumbnails of shorts even after they're uploaded. This is a big deal because previously, YouTube used to say, you can't change the thumbnail of a short for now. Let's walk through an example of how to change your short's thumbnail. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Go to your videos and find the short you want to edit. Tap the three dots next to the video and select Edit. Here, you'll see a pencil icon for the thumbnail. Tap on it. From there, you can choose a thumbnail from the available snapshots of your video. Tap this icon if you want to add any filters to the snapshot. When you're done with the filter, tap this check mark. Now let's add some text. Feel free to experiment with the text options until it looks just right. Once you're happy with it, tap to Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Now tap to the check mark to save the thumbnail. And don't forget to save all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your short's thumbnail. Remember, you can only choose from video snapshots, but this feature is still a game changer for making your short stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and updates. Your support helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.